Hey Scooter Gang, this video is made to show you how to change out the final drive oil on a Yamaha Zuma scooter. Let's get to it. You'll need an oil pan, a rag, 17mm socket, gear oil, a pair of pliers, and gloves. Start by warming up the scooter by riding it for several minutes. This will get the oil to drain better. Look for a white oil filler cap in the top rear of the final drive case. Remove it using your hands or a set of pliers. Find the drain bolt on the bottom of the drive case. Put an oil pan under it and unscrew the bolt. Let the oil drain until it's barely dripping. Put the drain bolt back on. Put in your gear oil and then screw the filler cap back on to 13 foot-pounds of torque. You'll need 0.11 liters of SAE 10W30 SE oil or GL gear oil if you have a 50cc engine, and 0.13 liters of 10W30 SE oil into the 125cc. For my own reasons, I'm putting in a different type of oil, but as the saying goes, do as I say, not as I do. And that's it. Just clean up after yourself and get back to riding. God bless.